Hello, I'm Stacey Hill and I'm the Head of Curriculum for Geography at AQA. I'm going to talk you through the main one-off changes to how we'll be assessing geography in summer 2022. So what has changed? Well, a few changes have been carried forward from 2021. So students are no longer required to complete 2 occasions of fieldwork, and you do not need to submit a centre declaration form to say that students have been given the opportunity to undertake fieldwork. And when it comes to the assessment, this means that students won't need to answer questions relating to their own fieldwork, which are those familiar fieldwork questions in section B of paper 3. Students will need to answer questions that relate to unfamiliar fieldwork, and students can expect, therefore, to answer questions on paper 3 relating to the pre-release materials, and we release these 12 weeks before the exam, and for this year that's the 22nd of March. The 16 marks of unfamiliar fieldwork questions, as normal, will remain in section B. So the exam time will reduce to 1 hour, and these 16 marks of unfamiliar fieldwork questions are largely assessing AO4, which is geographical skills. And there are 12 marks of AO4 and 4 marks of AO3. And it's worth considering that when you're planning how to cover this element of content in preparation for the exams. What else has changed? Optionality will be introduced into paper 2, challenges in the human environment. And these changes mean that students must answer all questions in section A, urban issues and challenges. They'll then choose to answer either section B, the changing economic world, or section C, the challenge of resource management. If students choose to answer section C, the normal rubric applies, where they answer question 3 and then choose between food, water and energy. When it comes to the assessment, this means that the total time allocation for paper 2 will be reduced to 1 hour, 15 minutes to reflect the reduction in marks. A total of 5 marks will be introduced to section C, and these marks could appear anywhere in section C. In section B, the 9-mark question will be replaced with a 6-mark question, and to keep the total of 30 marks, 3 marks will be introduced elsewhere in section B. So the total marks for paper 2 will be reduced from 88 marks to 63, and that's a removal of 25 marks. Section B and C will now have equal weighting, worth 30 marks each, and the highest tariff question in both section B and C will be 6 marks. There are 3 spelling, punctuation and grammar marks that will appear in the 9-mark question at the end of section A. And here's some other important information. There are no changes to the assessment of paper 1, and the total marks for the overall qualification will reduce from 252 to 207. At AQA, we know how much teaching and learning has been disrupted by the COVID pandemic, and we also know that this summer will be the first time that most students will have taken any formal exams. So we're here to support you every step of the way, and you can contact our team anytime at geography@aqA.org.uk. There's a full summary of all of these changes on our website, along with lots of other information and support to help you this summer.